My dear Miss Hawthorne...
I don't care what you say. The man died of fright.
My dear Miss Hawthorne, the medical diagnosis was quite clear. He died of a heart attack.
But his face...
So?
Well, that means the occult. Well, you know, the supernatural and all that magic bit.
You know, really, Joe, I'm obviously wasting my time trying to turn you into a scientist.
How do you know there's nothing in it?
How? Well, I just know, that's all.
Yes, but suppose something was to happen and nobody knew the explanation. Well, nobody in the world, in the universe. Well, that would be magic, wouldn't it?
As this barrow is called by the locals, as if it were a giant pie. But now the question is, can Professor Horner pull out his plum?
Get on with it, man.
Or will the professor be proved disastrously wrong?
Fiasco of 1939
Started yet?
has remained an enigma. But tonight, the enigma will be solved.
Beltane?
You know, you ought to have done your homework before you came on this dig.
For the viewers, Professor.
April the 30th, Beltane. Greatest occult festival of the year, bar Halloween.
Oh, frankly, I'm not much wiser.
Of course. There's something dreadfully wrong here.
Hey, you really mean that, don't you?
What could be wrong?
But surely, if you...
Aquarius?
Professor Horner, I believe you two have already met.
I'll say, the daft woman's been pestering me for weeks.
Trying to make you see reason.
Miss Hawthorne, why are you so opposed to this dig?
Because this man is tampering with forces he does not understand.
Oh, come on now.
You'll bring destruction upon yourself and upon the whole area if you persist. Death and disaster await you.
You see, I told you she was daft.
Miss Hawthorne, you don't really mean to
I
say...
tell you, I'm a witch. A white, of course,
Ah.
but that is why you should listen to me. I know.
Come on, Joe.
Where to?
Devil's end, of course. That woman is perfectly right. We've got to stop that lunatic before it's too late.
Time is running out in more ways than one. What is going to happen here at midnight?
Corned beef sandwiches.
I beg you to help me, Mr. Magister. Help me to stop that foolhardy man.
You mean the professor? But surely...
He must not enter the tomb tonight of all nights.
Why ever not?
Beltane. The forces of evil are abroad tonight.
Really, Miss Hawthorne, as a rational man,
We
I can
are all
only...
in mortal peril, Vicar. Have you no concern for the souls in your care?
Hazel! Stop! Don't pull that stone! Don't!
Soon be there, sir. Hello, what's that? Must be the dig. No, beyond that. A line of... It couldn't be hoof marks, could they?
My helicopter, where to?
Who is the leader of this cult?
The new vicar. He calls himself Magister.
Magister. Yes, of course, I should have known.
What?
Joe, did you fail Latin as well as science? Magister is the Latin word for master.